I'm recording this. I would like for you to come out. People see you. The heck was that? I hope we get to see you down at some other parts of the place. Anthony, come here. Come here. Snap. Snap a picture. Hurry up.